Everyone, this video I am going to talk about while loop in Python. How to use the while loop in Python and what are the advantages of while loop Python we will discuss in this video. Before move to the while loop, first of all we need to understand the objective of this session and the learning outcome. The objective of the session is to study about the while loop and their use. Learning outcome, you will be able to express different decision making process using while loop. And this is the small diagram discussed about the structure of the while loop. Now, so when the while enter into the while loop, and this is the text expression. Okay, this is a test expression. If the condition is true, okay, the while loop condition is true, then while loop statement will be executed. Now related, if you want to increment decrement the value of the while loop, and it will do that. Now again it will test the test condition. So if whenever the test condition is going to false, now it will exit from. So unless until it is condition is false, so the loop will executed again and again. Once it reached to the false condition, now it is okay. Good. Now this is a simple example. Just I am going to explain about the working procedure of while loop. Let us take the example a equal to 1. While a equal to 1 initially declared, now the condition is we are entering. So what is the condition? A less than 4. So a less than 4, what does mean? So the loop will be executed up to condition is less than 4. When the condition is going to equal to 4 or greater than 4, now the loop will be stop. Now it will come out from the while loop. Okay, now first of all, what is the a value now? Now first a value equal to 1 now. So first it will check 1 less than 4, condition true. If this condition is true, first it will print the now in this statement we are printing the value a equal to. So a equal to 1 now will come here. Now the value will be inserted a 1 plus 1. Now 2 will come. Now once it is again the loop will come here. Now what is the a value? Now a value 2. So 2 less than 4, again the condition is true. Now again it will condition is true, again it will print a equal to will come. So once the print statement is there, now it will come here. Now what is the value of a now? Now what is the value of a? So 2 plus 1, 3. Now it will come here. Now the value 3 now. 3 less than 4, condition again true. It will come here. Now again it will print a value. Now a equal to 3 will be printed. Okay. Now the loop will go here. Now what is the value? 3 now. So 3 plus 1, 4. Now once it reached here, what is the value? 4 now. 4 less than 4, condition is false. Once condition is false, so it will come out from the while loop. Now it is. So this is the small explanation working procedure of the. Now we related this one, we will see some more example. And before go to the example, what is the general syntax of while loop? This is general syntax. While condition and while loops close with the colon. Once close with the colon, now whatever it is there, that statement is belongs to the particular. The colon already we used if condition, function, for loop, and now again we are using the while loop. Okay, now see this example. What is the example? In this example, just we are going to print the number from by using while loop. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to declare the value and we need to make the condition. Just print it. Now we are incrementing the value. So whenever the condition is going to false, it will come out from the loop and the loop will be closed and it will go. So just this example, very simple example, just print the value from 1 to 5. So while, so these two statements belongs to while the value 1. Now come to this example. This example, how to use the break statement. So we are going to use the break statement. So for that we need to declare the value a equal to 1 and a less than 10, and now we're printing a. So where we are going to break the loop, so when that condition, if a equal to 5, the a value reach to the 5, now we are going to break the loop, we are come out from the loop. Okay, as we discussed similar in the for loop. Okay, so now loop will execute. First it will print a, first taking what is the value of a now? Initially 1. 1 equal to 5, condition is false, so this increment will come, again loop will execute. So loop will execute once reach to 5 equal to 5, so condition is true, so the break will execute. No, it will break the loop and it will come. So you will get the answer like 5, you will get it. Okay, now great. Now this is another simple example. In this example what we are going to do, how to print if even numbers from up to 10. So we are going to print the only even numbers from 1 to 10. So for that, whenever we are going to talk about the even numbers or odd number, immediately you need to bring into your mind this modulus operator. The modulus operator will help us to identify the even number and odd. A number is modulus operator by 2, it is you get the remainder 0, immediately those numbers are called the even numbers. So even numbers are now I value declared, you are going to do the condition up to 10, I modular division by 2. If the condition is equal to 0, what does mean? You are going, if the remainder is 0, those numbers called the, those divisible number called the, that is called the even number. Print I, it will, so again it will loop like. So what is the answer you will get? You will get the answer 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So because we need up to 10, so you will get the answer. The one simple example, that use of if even number in the using while loop. Now how to find the odd number using while loop? Very simple, just change number is the remainder values not equal to 0. If the number is other than 0, those numbers are called the odd number. Okay, the same example we are using for not equal to 0. Now it will print the answer. So 1 3 5 7 9, it will. Okay, good. We'll go to the next example. What is this example? This example we need it, just list the item using while loop. There is some items are there in the list, so in the list item just we are going to print the list items. So in the list items, mm, list, there is some items are here, lion, deer, tiger, there are some items are here. These items we are going to print with the use of while loop. So what we need to do, first of all we need to identify how many items are available in the list. Once you find out the how many items, so loop will, we need to execute up to the number of items in the, okay. Sorry. So I equal to 0 while I less than equal to len of animal. So total how many items? 0 1 2, total 3. So loop will be executed from 0 to 3. So 3 in the sense before the 3 to up to 2, 0 1 2. So print animals of I. So it will execute one by one. So lion will come, bear will come, then tiger will come. So this is the way the loop will be executed. Okay, so this is just to print the list item using while loop. Okay, now we'll go, this is the another example. What is the example? This example is using for to print the odd number positions list items. Odd number positions list. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We want to print only the odd number position. What are the odd number position list item? One should come, that is a bear should come, cow should come, and the horse should come, right? These are all we needed to print it with the help of the while loop. So that we use the first of all we need to identify the total number of items in the list, and model is equal to not equal to 0, just use the index position, so you will get the answer here. How ours will, so those three values be printed. I think this is the basic examples of while loop, basic principles how to use the while loop, the Python. Okay.